biscuits. Why do I have a jar of cinnamon in my hand? Well, either I'm doing that cinnamon, it was like a cinnamon dare, whatever it was a stupid thing to do. It was like people were like eating raw cinnamon. No, don't do that. That's not why I have it. I am testing out something that I read about that I have tried when mixing cinnamon with baking soda, but I've never tried it straight, of vacuuming up cinnamon to get a nice scent in the house. So first thing I have to do is I need to tidy up a bit of flooring stuff, get the floor clear for vacuuming, which is, of course, a never-ending thing, it feels like. But I want to see if I can get this all just great smelling is my goal, really. We're a really nice smelling space. Okay, let's see. It's always the decision of what belongs down the stairs, what doesn't. Okay, those all belong down the stairs. This is up here because they like to use each other as bowling pins on the stairs and throw each other down with that giant pillow ball thing, which is just so sweet. Aw, family. Have a family, they said. It'll be sweet. It'll be full of love, they said. What? As they try to bowling pin each other. Oh my God. I can't believe what kids think are acceptable. Okay. Boom diggity. That goes in that room. Don't know why, but there you go. I'm just tossing it. Sneaky peek at some of my studio space for all that fun stuff. But not too much sneaky peek. Okay, let me go grab the vacuum. I think that the hallway is ready. And I want to try this out, and I know we don't have smell-o-vision, but I'm going to tell you if it smells good, and I'm hoping that it will. Fingers crossed. Okay, I got the vacuum out. I'm not sure why I sounded Canadian there, eh? Okay. We are going to find a plug somewhere. Okay. Okay. Let's see if this works. I'm curious if it will. Just like putting a quarter of a teaspoon down. I'm starting small. Let's see how this goes, biscuits. I think it is really subtle because I'm going to put a little bit down, but I do think it actually works. Yeah. I do think it adds a little subtle scent to it. So I am going to, sorry for the horrible lighting, biscuits, absolutely terrible. I'm going to grab the vacuum and take it downstairs, and I'll do a little bit more vacuuming before I totally judge this with a little more cinnamon, but so far I'm liking it without the baking soda, and I normally mix a little baking soda in, but I think it kind of absorbs a lot of the scent. So let's try. Okay, I came downstairs and then I realized very quickly that in no way was the floor ready to be vacuumed. I swear, I just picked everything up. I'm like, how does this even happen? Okay, so one of my tricks that I've talked about before is always having a little container, something to carry around to just pick up pieces of random toys if you have a family home, because it makes it a lot easier. than trying to find individual spots for everything. Okay. That is better than it was. Ah. I swear toys just like reproduce. I don't get it. Okay. Okay, let's try a little bit more. I'm gonna vacuum this up real good because it is really dirty. Because this is like my main walkway inside the house and it's carpeted, I'm gonna like over clean this because I think it needs it. No, I'm serious when I stick my attachments on. Okay. Oh yeah, I can tell the difference looking at this by doing the detail vacuuming. I can tell that it's cleaner. I have a problem then. I am not strong enough to lift my sofa up high enough and pull my rug at the same time, so we have to bend it until I can get one of my brothers to come over and lift the sofa with me so I can get it vacuumed. It makes vacuuming so much more difficult. They left their school lunch in the living room. How sweet of them. Okay, biscuits, I will see you over on Patreon, and I will see you here on Sundays and Tuesdays. Don't forget to check out all of this month's amazing Patreon content. It's so good. If you want to be your own advent calendar of awesome, amazing self-care, like this is the month for you. Chef's kiss. Okay, biscuits. Because this is curved here, I can't do regular vacuum.